One-pot pastas are an absolute magic trick. First, we're going to blend together the ingredients needed for pistachio pesto. Now let's move to making the pasta in one pot. First, we're going to crisp the pancetta. Add some shallots and continue to cook until they're just translucent. In the now empty pan, we're going to add the dried pasta along with some water. Cover it up and let it cook. Cook just until it's al dente, which means it's firm to the bite. Add back that shallot and pancetta mixture. Add a little white wine and dollop on that nummy pistachio pesto that we made. Give it a quick stir. And now add the cream. Again, just give it a real quick stir. Sprinkle some Parmesan on top, and now we're ready to eat. Enjoy.